guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we will be making a beautiful spring wreath. For that we're going to need a wreath form, and that one is a grapevine wreath. We're going to need flowers, and I have two types of flowers as you can see. We're going to need two from each. And we're going to need leaves, and we're going to need two from those leaves. Our moss bunny, and I made this beautiful bow from a tutorial from Arlene Country Craft Corner. First, we're gonna take our flowers. I bought all of these flowers from Walmart because I don't have a Dollar Tree, but I found these beautiful flowers at Walmart for 97 cents, and you can't beat that. I just love the variety Walmart brings. And then after you take all of the tickets from all of your flowers, that's quite of a job. But after you take that, you're gonna start arranging them using the leaves first, after that the lavender and the flowers, and repeat on the other side. After you have that, you're gonna tie it using a strap or a zip tie, and then you just push it, you pull it until you tie it. Then you're gonna arrange your leaves so they look at you or facing forward, and then put another tie or zip tie in the other side so everything is really tight and won't move or fall from your wreath. Then we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna attach our bowl to our swag, moving both the pipe cleaner and the swag. Then we attach a zip tie and look for the strongest branch or vine on our wreath, and we're going to tie that zip tie to that strong vine of our wreath. And then we're going to take our wreath and start bending it so we can put some zip ties on the flowers and attaching it to a strong vine, as you can see. So our swag takes the form of our oval wreath form. You see, it's taking the shape of the wreath. And now repeat the same steps on the other side. After that, you cut the excess of the zip tie, and that's it. Now moving forward to taking off the tag of a wreath. I forgot that. And now moving forward to our bunny. I put some straps on the back part of the bunny, and I'm tying it to the strongest vine I can find of my wreath using those zip ties. And that's it. After that, you cut the excess and you have a beautiful spring wreath. Now a good fluff to that bow. As Arlene says, you have to fluff, fluff, fluff. Fluff it, and that will be it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have here our moss bunny, a beautiful swag, and this beautiful and amazing bow. I'm so in love with this wreath. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.